Pinkfong! Subscribe and like! Hogi! Hogi's Story Theater! Ouch, ouch, help me! Hi, friends! I'm Hogi! Are you ready for today's story? Here we go! It was a sunny day. Hogi! Hogi! Jenny came to me looking worried. Hogi, can you help me? Yes, of course. Look here. I hurt my knee. That must hurt a lot. How did you get hurt? Well, I was climbing a tree to pick some apples and I fell off. Ouch. I see. You have to be careful in high places. Here, I've wrapped it with bandages so you will get better soon. Thank you, Hogi. Huh? Hogi, can you help me? Yes, of course. I hurt my toe. Right here. That must hurt a lot. How did it happen? Well, I was running through the forest and I tripped on a rock. Ouch! Ow! Oh no! You need to walk slowly, not run. Here you go. I put a bandage on it, so you will get better soon. Thanks, Hogi. Hogi, can you help me? Yes, of course. The back of my hand is all swollen up. That must hurt a lot. How did it happen? Well, I was looking at flowers. And a bee stung my hand. It hurts so much. You need to be careful of bees when you're outside. Here, I put some ointment on it so your hand will feel better soon. Thank you, Hogi.
Hogi, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
My face is all red and sunburned.
That must sting. How did that happen?
Well, I accidentally fell asleep outside, but I must have been in the sun for too long. My face is burning.
When you are out in the sun, you need to wear sunscreen or a hat. Keep this ice pack on your face, and you will feel much better.
Thank you, Hogi.
So friends, that's what happened today. Everyone's got a little injury after their small accidents. But I took care of them well, so they will feel better soon. But always be careful not to get hurt. Now, let's sing about today's story in a song.
Sing along with Pinkfong and Hogi.
Ouchie, ouchie, ouch, can you help me? Yes. Ouchie, ouchie, ouch, can you help my boo-boo? Yes. What happened? better. You'll be fine. Thank you, Hogi. Ouchie, ouchie, ouch, ouch. Can you help me? Yes, yes, yes. Ouchie, ouchie, ouch, ouch. Can you help my boo-boo? Yes, yes, yes. What happened? I was running in the park, then I tripped over. I got a boo-boo on my toe. Oh, 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 I can make it better. You'll be fine. Thank you, Hogi. Ouchie, ouchie, ouch, ouch. Can you help me? Yes, yes, yes. Ouch, ouchie, ouch, ouch. Can you help my boo-boo? Yes, yes, yes. What happened? I was playing in the yard, and a bumblebee stung me. I got a boo-boo on my hand. Oh, 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 I can make it better. You'll be fine. Thank you, Hogi.
Ouchie, ouchie, ouch, ouch. Can you help me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Ouchie, ouchie, ouch, ouch. Can you help my boo-boo?
Yes, yes, yes. What happened?
I was napping in the sun and I got a sunburn. I got a boo-boo on my face.
Oh, 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 I can make it better. You'll be fine.
Thank you, Hogi.
Hogi's quiz time! Friends, did you enjoy today's story? I'm going to quiz you on this story. Let's try answering it together. Who took care of all the friends that got hurt today? Number 1, Mayan. Number 2, Pokey. Number 3, Hogi. The answer is number 3, Hogi. It was me, Hogi, that took care of all of my friends. If you ever get hurt, you have to tell your mom, dad, or your friends to get some help, okay? Wow, you got the answer right! Great job! Then see you again next time! Bye! Search for Hogi on YouTube!